Okay, this is the Arapaho belt. It has an NFPA attachment point for bailout, for escape, or ladder. Could be on here, or even the strap is certified as a ladder strap, so you can connect a ladder hook to that. This adjuster is important that these two are on your hip line. So you adjust, move this back and forth to where this is on both your hips, your hip bones. That adjusts the A-frame to fit your size. There's a little elastic keeper here, a little Nomex keeper that basically keeps the excess of it, like that, keeps it low and flat. There's a little keeper here for your ladder hook that would hook to here, and you throw it into here, and this would go here. Right now, I'm gonna just set this right now, but this keeper here is just to take care of your tail. You can use the loops on your turnouts if you want. Okay, it's ambidextrous, so it doesn't matter which way you go with it. You can either do either side on this one here. All right, we're going to talk about the Arapaho escape belt ladder belt and how to make it into a class 2 harness. I'm going to show here the left side. It can be right side, which is just flip this around, but we're going to do a left-sided for the bailouts on your left side. So undo your straps. The most important part is that this label is down, simulating that the table is your thigh on your pant or anything like that. So label down. Pass this through. And pass it through the other side of the adjuster that you set to where these are both on your hips. Okay. Same here. And what you want to see is the lettering here. So the buckle's up, this is down. This side here, same thing, labeled down. Very important. Pass it through there. Okay, so we're going to put it on, put the back side of your turnouts up, and then open up the Velcro closures. You may need to adjust the Velcro afterwards. Okay, after this, have that there like this. You've rotated up. Bring your flap over, and these Velcro closures are going to go on the inside of the loop. This one can go, depending on what you're doing right here, or it can go on the inside, depending on where you want it centered. This here connects to here, and you have your closure. Front belt loop, it's going to come pass through this way. So I'm going to back up again, pull it back over. I'm going to go over the side, back around, and through the belt loop here. You should see lettering here. Very important, lettering here. And to give it a test, make sure it's biting, just pull on the leg strap and you'll see it bite. That's what you want to see, that bite is what you want to see. Same with this. This is for the rear forward pull. Let's go behind the leg, under it. Flip this over. Pass through. Again, pull on here to make sure it's biting. If you do it the wrong way and slide it through here, okay, right there, it will not bite very well at all. And if it doesn't bite, if you pull it and it doesn't bite, it's just not going to work. So for the rear pull on this stage, you just take the straps and you go to the front and you pass it over around sides here. And I'm going to do both sides just to make it easy. And the buckle now, again, letters up. That's it, rear pull. And with that, that is the Arapaho escape belt, ladder belt, class 2 harness.